Ever wondered why your package sometimes takes ages to arrive while at other times it's at your doorstep in a blink? It's all down to the complexities and unpredictability inherent in logistics and supply chains. You see, these networks are a maze of moving parts, each susceptible to a host of issues. Delays can spring up without warning, turning a once efficient route into a time-consuming detour. Miscommunication between different links in the chain can result in misplaced packages. High operational costs can make the entire process prohibitively expensive. These problems don't just affect businesses trying to get their products out there, but also us, the consumers, eagerly waiting for our packages to arrive. It's a tough nut to crack, but don't lose hope just yet. The good news is there's a solution on the horizon: artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where your packages always arrive on time, and businesses save millions in logistics costs. That's the promise of AI in logistics. In the fast-paced world of logistics and supply chains, every second and every decision counts. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping in to make these decisions quicker, smarter, and more cost-effective. But how? Let's start with something as simple as planning delivery routes. Traditionally, this was a time-consuming task that involved a lot of guesswork. With AI, however, we can now analyze a multitude of factors in real time, such as traffic conditions, weather forecasts, and driver availability, to determine the most efficient route. This not only saves time, but also significantly reduces fuel costs and emissions. But AI doesn't stop at route optimization. It's also a powerful tool for predicting potential delays. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, AI can anticipate issues like weather disruptions, traffic congestion, and equipment failures before they occur. This allows businesses to proactively manage risks and ensure timely deliveries. AI also streamlines communication within the supply chain. Using machine learning algorithms, AI can automate responses to common queries, track shipments in real time, and provide instant updates to customers. This reduces the need for manual intervention and improves customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about cost reduction. AI technologies like